Hey guys, thank you for coming back to the channel here at HerCurlStyles. In this quick tutorial, I show you how I achieve this beautiful twist out using only one product. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So I already started twisting half the section of my hair. As you can see, I think about each section is 5 twists. And I'm using the Main Choice Daily Moisturizing Cream and Sealant, which is so amazing. I love this product so much, and I hope to use it throughout the fall and winter months. As you can see, I'm just applying it generously over the semi-wet hair. It's not fully wet, but it's semi-wet. And I am sectioning each section, maybe like a medium size section, and just twisting from the root all the way down to the end. And guys, you have to remember, I used only one product. This was a first for me in a while. Usually I apply Eco Style to the roots so that they're not so puffy, and I didn't do that this time, and my results were amazing. So just make sure that you twist all the way down. Sometimes you have to finger coil the ends so that they stay, and that's fine. But in my case, I'm going to be adding in my perm rods at the end so they can have an extra little curl at the end. And I'm just counting just to make sure I have how many twists I have, just because I have only 10 perm rods. And I'm not too sure what size they are. They are the white ones, so some of them I had to double up, and which was fine. It still came out great. And I just did this throughout the whole section of my hair. And this was an overnight dry, which was simple enough. What I didn't let you guys see is that I did put a satin headscarf around my head. The next day, as you can see, that is my belly oil. Yes, I used my belly stretch mark oil on my hair. And you know what? Who said you can't? It has great oils in it, and you know, I figured it's there. Why not? I didn't have anything else, so I wanted to put something on it just to give it an extra shine. Unfortunately, I was blessed enough for these twist outs to just unravel like 1, 2, 3. All I did was unsecure the ends, and literally I just pulled, and then one strand of the twist out will just kind of unroll itself. So yeah guys, they're pretty much all done. You may find one in there that you kind of left out, and that's fine. Just untwist it like I did. I found one somewhere back there, and I'm like, ah, there you go. But I simply just split the hair that was twisted together. I separated them just where I saw where it needed to be. Not a lot of separation, but you know, I found some that could be separated. I was really impressed with this. I hadn't done this in a while, and I just wanted to see how my hair would take to it. And also, oh, pregnancy brain, I forgot what I was going to say. But as you can see, I'm just taking them out, and the upkeep will last me about 2 days. I did not use a pick. I just kind of used my finger to remove any of the separation parts, which is fine. To each his own. You do what works for you, and that's about it, guys. I'm truly highly recommend this product by the Main Choice, and you can find it at your local CVS. So comment below, let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.